If food feels confusing, overwhelming, or stressful right now, this video is for you. I'm Jen. I work with people with autoimmune disease, and I get it. They're tired of fighting their bodies and they want to learn what they can do to support themselves, especially when autoimmune, inflammation, or chronic stress are part of the picture. So I am a whole food, plant-based culinary coach, someone with a history of autoimmune disease. I actually reversed my own autoimmune disease with the help of a functional medicine doctor. And I've been a health educator since 1998. And so I have a lot of experience working with clients. And I'm all about the food. Also went to culinary art school in 2001. And so I'm all about the food. One of the most common questions that I hear about in this realm is what should I eat to reverse my autoimmune disease? I had the same question. I was searching out all the things. I tried AIP, it didn't work for me. A better question to ask is what does my body need to feel supported right now? Because in autoimmune disease, there's chaos around the immune system. It's attacking, it's doing all sorts of things. It's trying to protect your body because it doesn't feel safe. So we have to find a way for the body to feel safe and to feel supported. Autoimmune bodies are very sensitive. You probably know if you have an autoimmune condition yourself. Usually we're depleted and we're overstimulated. We have really a lot of problems or trouble, I shouldn't say problems. We have a lot of trouble with learning to calm the digestive tract, calm the monkey mind, those circling thoughts, right? Are you laying in bed and things are just going on and on and on? Maybe you have a racing heart rate. We just need to calm down, bring ourselves back to center. When we look at things like rigid food rules, having to eliminate so many foods, we're afraid to eat anything. We've cut this out because someone said this, cut that out because someone said that. Because Instagrammers are out there saying, don't eat beans, don't eat cruciferous vegetables, don't eat dairy, don't eat gluten. I kind of agree with those. But they're cutting out so many things. Don't eat oxalates, don't. And so you're left with I can eat maybe this winter squash. I'm afraid to eat anything else. Well, that's not true for all of us. Maybe you have an issue with nightshades, but you don't have an issue with legumes. Maybe you have an issue with gluten, but you don't have an issue with oxalates or nightshades. We need to figure out your unique path because we are all unique. There's no one size fits all. Healing requires responsiveness, and we have to learn to listen to our body. It has taken me a long time to learn to listen to my body and what it really needs. This is the moment where I see people either start to heal or they get even more confused. So let's slow this down because this part changes everything. Instead of focusing on labels or elimination lists, focus on function. Ask yourself before you eat something, does this feel safe? Does it feel grounded? Does it digest well? When I eat this, how does this affect my stomach later? Do I have gas later? Do I have trouble going to the bathroom later? Right? Or does it stabilize my energy? Do I feel like I need a nap after I eat this? That's really a great way to see how you respond to a certain food. Like for me, I love beans and I can eat a cup of beans easily. I can eat a bean chili. My blood sugar doesn't go up really high. I stay calm. I'm still energized all afternoon. But I have a friend who there's no way, she can't even eat a half a bowl of beans because her blood sugar goes off the chart and then her antibodies go up because cortisol goes up. And so we really have to see what is right for you. If food has felt stressful or overwhelming for you, you're definitely not alone. As I've been there, and there's a reason why you're feeling stressed about it. So let me explain why this approach works a little bit differently. Autoimmune supportive meals often include cooked vegetables. So I did eat a mostly raw diet, and my inflammatory markers actually went up. Sometimes we need protein or amino acid support. Does that mean you have to eat animal products? No. My autoantibodies are slightly elevated because I got corned. I talked about that in the last episode. By corned, I mean I ate corn and I'm allergic to corn. And so I had a flare on Christmas Day. And so I still have slightly elevated antibodies. just barely. And so I know that moving in the right direction. All my inflammatory markers are great. Everything else is great. My blood sugar is great as well. And I haven't had any animal products since 2016. Healthy fats. Are you eating the right fats for you? So due to genetics, I know I can't tolerate coconut. Coconut raises my LDL, lowers my particle size. So then I have those small, hard cholesterol particles that can easily clog and get lodged. And so I can't have coconut, but maybe you can. But I do need to make sure I get lots of omega-3s, and you probably do too. So chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, things like that. And then I want to use herbs and spices because they're so high in antioxidants. When we smell those vibrant flavors, the like a strong basil or rosemary or thyme or oregano or even peppermint, those smells, all those are so high in antioxidants, and they even have colors, if you pay close attention to them, that are also so healing to the body. So learning how to use herbs and spices in a functional way is fabulous. So culinary herbs are one of the gentlest ways to support immune balance. And using herbs every day in your meals, making your own broth sounds complicated. You know, when I had my last flare, I could hardly hold my cell phone. So I understand if you're thinking, I'm not going to go in and make my own broth. Maybe not. But maybe you can have some herbs that you just sprinkle on top of something someone else has made for you. Or maybe you can find some clean freezer meals or things that are easy to make that you've read the ingredients, always my number one rule, and you can add some herbs to it just to enhance that so it's an even more functional food. If you want guidance with seasonal meals, immune supportive cooking, and simple ways to nourish your body without stress, the Culinary Healing Circle is my membership that was created for you. It is my love, and I love being a part of it, and I love creating different things for it. Pretty much every day I'm working on something to create for it because I love it. It's a supportive space for other people who use food as medicine, want to learn more about food as medicine, and they want support from other community members. You don't have to be a part of the community. You can just show up live or watch the recordings if you want to. But it's especially helpful if you are navigating autoimmune inflammation and learning how to do things to support your own body. So I'll share more information if you would love to join us. I'd love to have you in the group. Autoimmune healing is all about your relationship with your food, with your body, and with your community members, your family as well, and helping them to understand what helps you feel safe because that is when you heal. So you can find out more at culinaryhealingcircle.com. You can join for $19 for your first month. Then it's $39 after that, or you can do $215 for 6 months, and you can cancel at any time. Anyway, I'd love to see you in the group, and I look forward to talking to you again next week.